Hello guys, this is Alan. Today I'm going to show you our automatic chewing gum production line. Look, here it is. If you want to produce the chewing gum, usually you need to use the gum oven. Here. Here is the gum oven. You need to put the gum into here inside, then baking it about just let the gum be soft, then it can be used. Then put the soft gum into the blender and mixer for mixing. Then after this, you need to dry in the material. Use this into milliliter. This device is need to put into a room we call the drying room. Drying for 8 to 12 hours. Then after drying, then the raw material can be used. Need to put into the extruder. Please follow me. Extruder, because this line is for the large strip chewing gum. So this extruder, the size strip is a long strip. Just put the raw material inside, then we are extruding the raw material. Then the sugar strip, the gum strip will go into here. Here we can screen some sugar in here. Then here is a sugar recycle device for recycling use. And here is our roller sheeting device. Can make the gum strip be sink. And here, and after here. The gum strip will go into here, the conveyor, going to the forming device. Look, here's 3 rollers. One is for the sheeting, and here for the cutting, long strip cutting. Make the strip be 6 pieces. And going to here is a cutter, roller cutter. We're cutting the gum strip. This device can determine the length of the gum. And after this, the gum strip will go in here. This device. You need the manual to put the gum strip here. Here have a stacking device, and then the gum strip will cut by this device to be the suitable shape. Then after this device, this is a packaging machine for packaging. After this, then the product is finished. And we also have the box packaging machine. It comes here. Here is a box packaging machine. Then and after this, the product is totally finished, then you can sell to the whole world. So today my introduction here. If you have any interest in our machine, please contact me. Bye bye.